Umuntu wesifazane, you are the CEO of your life. Wena ophethe ikey ezempilo yakho, wena uqhuzu losigaxa amabhande wempilo yakho. You are in charge of your life. You are the CEO of your life. You are the decision maker wempilo yakho. Wena owenza inqumo ezokisa phambili nezokubuyisela emumva. You must understand ukuthi kunezinto ezithile njengomuntu wesifazane okumele uyivale, okumele uyimise uzenze ingaqhubeka empilweni yakho. iCEO yona ithatha ama decisions ethi lama partnerships siyaqhubeka nawo noma siyawayeka, abathile siyabaxosha kulomsebenzi noma siyaqhubeka siyabaqasha ngoba baphethe amandla onke. Nawe njenge CEO ngifuna wenza self introspection ukuyibheke wena ukuthi abantu nabo empilweni yakho nosondelene nabo ngabe bayayenza lento ofuna beyenze empilweni yakho, ngabe bakuphushela kuyiprogress noma bakubuyisela emumva, bese kuba khona abanye obaxoshayo. Some must be fired ngoba njalo baletha ukuxokozela make wahlangana nabo kuba neconfusion, make wahlangana nabo ubuya usune stress, make wahlangana nabo uyithola na usuxoxa indaba. Ngakho they must be fired ngoba bakisi phambili kunalokho bakubuyisela emumva. Njenge CEO, take those decisions and fire some and promote some. Abanye uyabona ukuthi mange ngasondele eduze kwakhe lo ungitshela ngama business conferences, engitshele ngama summit, engitshele ngeindaba zokukhuleka, uyabona ukuthi lona akumele abele kude, kumele ngimpromote bese eduzane ngoba mangihlangane naye ngiyazizwa nami ukuthi ngibuya kuyena ngilight, ngibuya kuyena ngi-inspired. Kodwa khona abanye ukuthi mawukhuluma nabo uthi ufuna ukuqala ibhizinisi avela discourage athi awu nosibani bake balizama la ngaphumelela. Fire those people. Mawubatshela ukuthi ngifuna uku-attend iseminar ethile athi unemali yokuganga wena usaya kuma seminar. Fire those people ngoba balethi progress empilweni yakho, kunalokho baqhubeka babe nawe endaweni yosizi. Ngoba abanye abantu bajabulela ukuthi usendaweni ephansi kunawe, abafuni ukubona unyuka uyaphezulu. Ngakho as the CEO of your life, you need to fire such people and promote abantu abalethi progress empilweni yakho. Khona abantu othi mawukhuluma nabo uvela ube nama ideas okwenza izinto ezophakamisa impilo yakho. Such people ibona badinga empilweni yakho. And as the CEO, you must be careful of your association ngoba uyi-associate nabantu abawu-15 aba-broke, uzobe we-16 nawo broke ngoba uyi-associate nabo. Ngakho you need to check your association. Kodwa ma uyi-associate nabantu abawu-10 aba-prosperous, abenza kahle, wena uzoba ngowesi-level ophumelelayo ngoba i-association is very important. Ngakho as the CEO of your life, ake uchecke na ku-WhatsApp wakho ukuthi nixoxani. Khona lono njalo ohleze ekuhlebisa ngamagama abantu, ohleze enomona egxeka abanye abantu, ek-influence ukuthi ungabakhulumisa abantu abathi abakwenzanga lutho, uvele ethi nje ngimphika usibani. Fire those people. Kodwa uletha abantu abazoku-inspirisha to do better, abazokwenza uphumelele, ube empowered njengomuntu wesifazane, abangeke beze bek-advise kabi, bekutshela ama-advices wrong azokudidilela phansi. You are the CEO. You hold the key. You can fire some and promote some. Yenza njalo CEO ngoba uphethe lapha empilweni yakho. Abanye abahlehle manje, ungaspend isikhathi sakho nabantu abakubuyisela emumva, kodwa spend isikhathi sakho nabantu abazokuphumelelisa. Spend isikhathi sakho nabantu abazokwenza ube ngcono ngoba abanye bathanda ukuba seduze kwakho ngoba kukhona into abayibenefitayo kuwe kuphela, akukho kuza kuwe njalo uyokhipha uyisa kubona. Fire those people. You are the CEO of your life. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.